Tonight I am making a whole bunch of these beautiful 10-inch hanging baskets that are perfect for full shade or partial shade. I have used these plants in my north-facing planters for a few years now, and they're always absolutely beautiful, so I am adding them into my hanging baskets as well. So the plants that I use for north-facing would be wax begonias as well as coleus. Both of these do not need full sun in order to look beautiful. In fact, they actually prefer more shade, and this is how I make my baskets. The cool thing I like about coleus is they come in all different colors. These ones are rainbow coleus, so this one has hints of pink, this is hints of burgundy and green. Then you get these all green ones. Some of the ones I have in the front also have green with a little bit of yellow, and then there's all these ones. They're absolutely beautiful, very versatile. This one even has some dark pink right in the middle, so they're very beautiful. The soil I'm using for my hanging basket is this My Soil container mix from Okanagan Valley Farms. They're on Vancouver Island, I believe in Nanaimo, and it has natural zeolite, slow release fertilizer, organic compost, organic kelp, organic peat, as well as Canadian peat knot moss, cocoa coir, as well as perlite. So very good ingredients for a quick mix for hanging baskets. With coleus, they do form some roots right on the stem, so if your plant is a bit tall, you can pluck them off and bury the whole stem, and that makes it for a bushier plant. So I'm going to make a hole right in the middle and bury this coleus just like that. Now I'm going to take these begonias, wax begonias that I can already see the flowers white in it, squeeze the pot, loosen up all the soil there, and then I'm going to put 3 of them right on the edges to trail over the sides. There you have it. This basket is done just like that. So the burgundy and green leaves right in the middle, and then the white begonias hanging over the edges, and then I just give it a little water in just like that, and onto the next basket. So now for the next planter, I am going to be doing just begonias. So I'm going to pick 3 begonias for this one. I am unsure of a few colors. So this one looks like it is going to be a light pink, whereas there is a few surprise ones that have not started showing its flower color yet, and because it was a mix from a friend, I know that they, from previous years, they're either going to be light pink, white, or dark pink flowers, so I know that they are going to all look good. This one I'm not putting in the baskets because the leaves are a little crispy, but you can see the dark pink begonia coming out right there. So this basket, I am doing 3 begonias there, and it will look very nice and full. This one I'm just going to move a little bit more towards the edge to give the other plants a bit more room, and with the 3 plants it is going to still look quite full once the plants grow there. So I'll just do one right there, and then I'll grab another one that isn't showing flower, so it'll just be a surprise for the colors. And that one I will just do right on this side, add a little bit more soil there. So there you have it. It is still gonna bush out and look really nice and beautiful. For the next shade planter, I am gonna just do 3 different coleus to make a really nice looking planter. So this one, I am going to use this one that is a bit of a pinky color. Pick off the bottom stems just like that, and of course I'm gonna just bury that so the plant can grow extra roots along the stem, making a stronger plant. And I'm gonna choose a all green one as well. And just pluck off the bottom stems there. Get right down to the bottom there. And these ones are going to be very beautiful as well. Then I think I'm going to choose one that is a bit more burgundy there. So there you have it, a very beautiful leafy coleus hanging basket. And another way to make these become bushier is once these top leaf nodes get a little bit taller, you can actually go right below here. See if I can show you on a different one. Once this gets a few more stems there, you can go right below here and just pinch off the top little bit right above the leaf node where the two leaves pop out. You can just pinch it off, and that will actually make your plant a bit bushier as well. That way, if the plant starts getting a bit too tall, you can just pinch it at the top and it'll bush right out. So there you go. We have 3 different types of hanging baskets that you can do for full to partial shade. We have one with just wax begonias that will be nice and flowering. We have one that has the coleus in the middle and some wax begonias as some trailers on the outside, and this will be your filler in the middle. And then we have just your simple leafy coleus that's still going to be extremely beautiful as well. So all these will make your shady spots nice and beautiful. So there you go. That is how I make my hanging baskets for full to partial shade. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.